Welcome everybody, another Transformers week going this week. Today we've got Seaspray, Hovercraft Autobot. I think his thermal sticker is not doing its thing. It turns for just a split second, but that's all. It's pretty simple transformation. Just popped his legs out, that turns into his feet, and there's his head. You know, negligible posability. Does have his wheels on there. Let's see, it's one of the card ones. So I mean, it was one of those things. Basically, if it had the Transformer logo on it, I was spending my allowance on it back in the day. That's what it is. A pretty good looking vehicle anyway. It's a hovercraft. The propellers do work. Spin anyway. They actually got some metal on there at the rivets. Very rare for a Transformer, or the small ones anyway, to have any metal on them at all. So, cool little face situation. No real details on anywhere basically. Let's see. Got some mild texture here along the back. Of course, the I don't know what you call it, the bridge, I guess, on the of the hovercraft there. Yeah, not much to him. Simple. If he didn't have the Transformer logo on him, I might have thought he was a GoBot. It's sort of appropriate size, but no metal on him either, so I probably would have figured out his Transformer. But anyway, that's about all I got for him. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.